guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I begin this video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video. And also I have a running giveaway, so I think I'm so sorry, that's an aeroplane voice. I have a running giveaway and I think I have to announce the winner on 7th of February. So we still have 4 or 5 days for you guys to participate, and don't forget to participate. You can win H&M ear cuff and earring, so that's it. So I have hit like 300 subscribers. I mean, I'm 300 plus subscribers and I'm hoping for lot more. I have so many things to film, but I'm just waiting for the right time, maybe I'll start doing that. And today I just wanted to share with you guys about like 2 bags that I got from Sarojini Nagar. I had this in mind that I have to get anything under 1000 rupees, but I got this shop, and there are actually 2 shops that are majorly have such good bags. I cannot even tell you the quality. It's too good, and specifically the designs and everything, amazing. This bag first, which is this color. I love this color. I literally love this color, and this is so pretty. When I saw it, I just fell in love with this one. There was other bag also which was in suede and with the fringes, but that is like pretty common, I would say. But this bag is like amazing. I literally love this bag. Specifically the color. It is baby pink, and I love pink. I love pink. Okay, this is this bag, and I specifically love the detailing here with the pearl and very nice cute detailing, and the zips are like golden. We have one zip here, so the quality is like really amazing. And plus it comes with this dust bag to keep your bag safe, which nobody can find in Sarojini Nagar. I mean, wow, the quality is literally amazing. So you can keep here like water bottle or any other small little stuff while traveling. So, and also it has a zipper at the back. That's a zipper where you can keep your ticket. I literally love it. It's like the perfect size that I wanted. So I'm gonna use it as a backpack. Obviously it's a backpack, so it has this little tiny zip pocket, which obviously I just couldn't make it. Why? What is it for? Which is like too small. Maybe you can keep a little bit of change or a little bit of cash here, just for like when you need it quickly. And then the main compartment fabric is amazing. It has these 2 pockets where you can keep your phone. I usually keep my lipsticks and phone like here. And then it has a zipper here with this logo which says "How are you?" I guess it is from some Korean brand. So the zipper looks like this. You can store your stuff, and then this is the inside. It's very spacious. I'm definitely gonna use it for like traveling, and I love this one. Talking about the price, I'll tell you guys the price at the end, so keep watching. So the next bag I got is this one. This is a clear bag, and the material is like very thick, and it's not something which will crack up very easily or tear off very easily. The material is like really nice. So you open this bag like this, and you have a bag inside also. Yeah, either you can use it as literally a clear bag, or throw your things here and then you can insert it. So this bag has let me just take out the extras. Okay, so this bag has this now the opening is like little tiny. I mean, which obviously inside of it is like a little more spacious as compared to the opening could be a little more, I don't know, what do you call it, spacious. So this is the simple bag with just 1 compartment. That's how you close it. The detailing, the buckles and everything, they're of really high quality, like a little high material, I would say, heavy material. And at the back we have this sachet pocket like this, where you can keep, I think, your metro card, or when you're traveling you can keep your ticket, metro ticket, or you can just keep your little bit of exchange over here. So that's a cute little tiny clear bag which you can use it in 2 ways. Now why I found this bag really nice is because it doesn't look like something which is, not so expensive, and it looks very expensive, specifically the chain. Literally, it has a very, very, very heavy chain. Like when I just, showed this to my mother, she was like, wow, you got this from Sarojini? Amazing. I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna look. It's like this. I really, really, really like this bag. About the price, I got these two bags for 500 each, and these bags are from shop number 133. I'll tell you where is this shop. Just find Alpna Kalpana shop in Sarojini Nagar. That's a multi-store kind of shop. You get cosmetics and everything from them. So right in the lane of Alpna Kalpana, when you're going towards the DLF mall, right? You're standing at the Alpna Kalpana shop is on your left. You're going towards the parking mall, right? So this shop comes onto your left. Shop number is 133 shop number. I got these bags from them. And there is another shop in Sarojini Nagar which is amazing. But this one is equally amazing. The other shop number is Old Tree. They sell these amazing bags. There is a YouTuber, Devashree Banerjee. I know most of you guys know her, and in case if you want to check out her video, she did a haul video from the Old Tree shop in Sarojini Nagar. So I'm just going to link down in the description box for you guys to check out. Do check out her video. You'll get to know the collection of Old Tree as well. It is amazing. But I just wanted to try something from this shop because this shop has some amazing stuff, and I think that this shop is little underrated as compared to the stuff that they have. So you guys have to check it the next time you're going to Sarojini Nagar. Do visit shop number 133 for this amazing bags. Talking about the price range or how you can do the bargaining. Now the shopkeeper, he quoted me 750 each for this bag, which means that in total I had to pay 1500, but I told him that I cannot just pay you 1500. I'm gonna pay you 1000 for these two bags. If you can give me, otherwise it's okay. That's how I do that bargaining, otherwise it's okay. So he said 550, no, he said 600, this and that, and finally he gave me this for 500 each, which is amazing. And specifically, if you guys like want to buy bags for like they have bags starting from, I think, 500 rupees. So don't think that they can, they don't have bags for like 100 200 rupees. They have bags starting from rupees 500. But I want you guys to check this shop out, which is 133 Sarojini Nagar. And thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to share my happiness with you that I got these bags for so cheap, and specifically, it's not just about the money that you're spending, it's about the quality that you're getting for that money, and I think it is totally worth it. So that's all I wanted to share. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep commenting, and don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they also can buy some amazing stuff from this shop or from Sarojini Nagar. Bye bye.